Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how you can fix heartburn naturally and without overusing Tums or antacids. So first is baking soda and water. Now you might have a heartburn remedy at hand in your kitchen without even knowing it. Baking soda can calm some episodes of heartburn by neutralizing your stomach acid. To do this, you want to dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and make sure you drink it slowly. To be safe, however, only use this baking soda remedy every once in a while or for really serious instances of heartburn. Talk with your doctor about how to use baking soda safely, because if you do this too much, this can actually harm you. So only do this in extreme episodes when you really need it. Next is ginger. Now, ginger has a long history of use in Chinese medicine. This herb can help relieve nausea, and some believe it's good for heartburn as well. You want to consider adding grated or diced ginger root to your favorite stir-fry recipes, soups, or in other foods. Or you can even do a ginger tea, which is very easy. You just take some raw ginger, dried or grated, and put it in some boiling water. However, similar to baking soda, large doses of ginger can actually cause heartburn or other problems. So again, you want to use it in small amounts. And you might be thinking, oh, I can just have some ginger ale. Well, you want to avoid that too, because carbonated beverages are a common heartburn trigger. And most brands of ginger ale are made with ginger flavoring rather than with real ginger, or with very little amounts. And finally, you can use a supplement. Now, I put on the screen here a digestive supplement that I personally used and talked about on the channel many times. It's called Sinogut. It's a digestive supplement that helps to restore the gut lining and regrows the good bacteria you need for proper digestion. What this will do is fix any digestive problems you have, which will stop heartburn in the long run and eliminate the cause in the first place. So rather than trying to relieve the symptom, you're relieving the source. So I'll go over the nutrition facts here, and as you can see, it is a 100% natural, plant-based supplement. It's vegan friendly, and everything is grown and made in the United States of America. It's FDA approved, and it's designed for a 30-day treatment period to fix all the digestive issues you have. And this also comes with fixing heartburn as well. They have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work after 60 days, then you can get a full refund. I personally did not have to get a refund because it fixed all the problems I was having. Now, if you want to hear more about this, I have a couple videos on my channel where I talk about it in more detail. I'll leave a link to this in the description. And with that, that's 3 ways you can fix your heartburn at home. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.